In my mind, I started hearing a man screaming out, "Who's gonna pick me up? Who's gonna pick me up?" And I started wondering in my head if anybody would actually set their time to pick them up. I'm not so sure about that because what I know from life is that everybody is seemingly minding their own path. They can talk about where you at because they hear you screaming, "Who's gonna pick me up?" So they know that you're down and you need to be picked up. So they get to tell everybody about the situation that you're in, even though they do not know or understand the situation that you're in. That is how life is like. But then, the minute you stop asking who's gonna pick me up, the minute you get to understand that nobody, especially as far as beings are concerned, is gonna pick me up. Nobody is gonna pick you up. I'm not gonna pick you up. Not because I don't wanna pick you up. No. Maybe sometimes I feel compassionate. Maybe sometimes I pity you and I would love to pick you up, but I don't even know where you at. I'm sorry, but my GPS is not designed to track your vehicle. My GPS is designed to give my vehicle direction. And you got a GPS of your own inside yourself. So if you lost somewhere in your journey, you better turn on your GPS and start listening to your consciousness because your consciousness is connected to your heart. That is why, if your consciousness says no, your heart is most likely to beat faster if you attempt. But if your consciousness says yes, your heart is most likely to release joyful juices into your system as soon as you attend to whatever cause your heart or your conscious is giving you directions to. So I'm sorry, I cannot pick you up, but I can help you with this. When you find yourself lost without a sense of direction, turn on your GPS. Listen to your consciousness because your consciousness is always saying something to you. Listen very carefully and hinder to the direction that has been given to you because only you can pick you up. Only you know how you got lost. Only you can be able to reflect and be able to identify where you went wrong for you to be where you at and use that as a learning curve. Only you can pick you up, no matter how further you are. No matter how deep you are, only you can pick you up. You can find your way back. If a way back is not possible, then find a way forward by utilizing your GPS. But only you can pick yourself